Hello viewers, today we return on this wonderful construction. I was distracted by the Toyota Yaris. I have to drive it to see how it works, night, day, lights. Now the season is better, it's not so cold, so in the next days I will do and you will see it. I have great expectations from that car. But by now I return to this wonderful way of spend time with wood, balsa wood, very fragile. There are a lot of videos in the descriptions, all the videos if you are interested. And today we do some, I call it hardware, because paper and some software, when this is hardware. Today I want to realize the landing gear and the engine. And to do this, there are a lot of things that I want to share with you. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for commenting. Perhaps you can suggest me about your experience, something better than I do, and hope you will enjoy the video. Today's work starts with wheels assembling. There is no left, right, so it's quite the same. Plastic glue, okay, let it dry, then sand down, then paint the central, the rim. Now yes, it's free, no glue inside. Second work, we have to paint the propeller, because I don't like red propeller. Obviously this is not the best propeller for a free flight with a rubber engine. It needs a bit larger, but okay, this is enough. I would like to give a little finish to the edges, because there's the line of the molding. Like this. Then paint, use not to attach to this plastic, so first I will spray a primer, hoping, okay. And let it dry. Then cutting this, and to do a good work I used to do this. And you see that here we have a little problem because this is a little bit. Now I have to scrape this in order to let this get into this, hoping not to break everything. Quite good. Done. The nose is mounted, but there's a problem. The propeller insists on this, and this perhaps is quite strong. Better to reinforce, putting here inside 1, 2, 3, a certain number of wooden stick in order to resist to the compression. Then I have to paint it, then make the engine and mount on the plane. This is a very nice and quite long work, but it's very, very important to do it as best you can. Later we speak about this. Okay, these are ready to be glued here inside. I made them a little bit longer because I don't glue up to here, but a little bit inside. Then I cut in order to make with this the stopper. Glue, super glue. You see this line here, you see not, and here you see. This means that I have to sand it down until it disappears, so the tire is perfectly round. This is the moment of wow, I love the yellow tips on the propeller. Now it has to dry, because this is not completely dried. 1, 2, tires are sanded. Now I have to manage to find the system to paint the inside perfectly. And I don't want to have this in my hand because I can move. It's better to put something here inside and then turn. And something could be a pin. I let it dry a little bit, then I turn upside down and the work is done. And my landing gear will be very nice. Clean the brush. And in the meanwhile, we can go to do another little work. This. Better to show you the work from here. I need another one. Okay. This could be enough. 10 minutes about, then I cut the excess, and this I think will be quite well reinforced. Let me see. I feel it more hard. Yes. Fantastic. This will be more rigid to support the Now I have to paint it, and when you paint this, it's always different from the plane. Okay, this is a canopy, so perhaps it is in a different material and the color will be different. But in which color first of all? Blue. I have to find this blue, because the stickers are all different. Okay, this blue in gloss, this is a royal blue, it's very dark. I can make a mixture between this and this and try to find something. Let me manage. I will show you the result. Well, I made this. That is brilliant, but really I can do nothing better. I hope the color will be quite good. I don't want to paint it perfectly with a thick paint, because this has to be a very light plane. So, despite the look, I prefer the technique. Of course, I try to paint at my best, but not super perfect. I like this blue. It's not perfect, but this way. Later this I will do in black. Okay, now I have a lot of things here. The work is very slow because this has to dry. And can I put it here? The wheels has to dry until in order to turn them upside down and finish. Propeller has to dry. So, my dear friends, I think that it's time to say stop, wait, and continue. By now, I thank you very much for watching. Next episode, I think that I will show you the working engine, and we will work on the landing gear. The finish line, it has to come. Ciao.